This video is made with the sponsorship of Ecrotech New Zealand, one source for all your beekeeping requirements. Hi, Trev here from Trevs Bees on Facebook and YouTube. Today I just want to talk to you about how I set my hives up out in the field. And it's just like this. I go to the carpet shop armed with a couple of pots of honey, and I ask the carpet people if they have got any old carpet that they've pulled out of the house. They've only got to pay for it to go to the dump, and so I cut out some squares of carpet. As I say, it cost me a couple of pots of honey for 1.5 metres square, so 1.5 by 1.5. This way, when I put it on the ground, I have no weeds problem around the beehive. Out there maybe, but underneath the beehive it's not a problem. And I always put the hive forward so I've got room here, so when I'm stacking my boxes I can stack some boxes here, they can sit on the ground and they're not getting dirt and crud and whatever. And then I make these little pallets. They're cheap to make them for less than $10 each. These 4x2s, 100 by 50s, are panellised fencing rails. They come either 4.8 or 6 metre lengths. You've got to do your numbers, figure out what is the most economical, and I cut them to 600 long. That means the beehive fits on there and there's a little bit of landing area. These rails here are 1.8 metre fence pales. Chop them in half so I end up with 900. So these are about $3.50 per rail, so it's about $7 there and a couple of $3 for the other ones. And then my floors will sit on here just like that, and I have a little bit of space in between them so they're not completely jammed up. So if they move a little bit out here they don't fall over because they can't, but generally I have them like that, about that far apart. And then about every metre gap I have the next pair. And that's how I set up my apiaries. So that's it for Trevs Bees on Facebook and YouTube. We'll catch you around in the beehive.